Welcome to Mobile Car Mechanic. Today we're going to be replacing the rear differential fluid on a 2018 Acura MDX. This is going to apply from 2017 to current generation MDXs. Alright, parts and tools needed. Going to be a drain pan, two different size washers, one for the small drain bolt and one for the big fill bolt, 3/8 wrench, 3 quarts of differential fluid, and a gear fluid pump. Alright, so the fill bolt right here is in the back of the differential. You'll see like kind of a hole peeking through there. We're going to go ahead and show you through the hole. Just lefty-loosey, crack it loose. Alright, now we're going to go on to the drain bolt. Alright, so the drain bolt's right here. It's on the driver's side, pointing towards the driver's side. So I'm just going to go ahead and use our 3/8. Lefty-loosey. Get your drain pan ready. It's probably going to make a mess. Just be careful. Alright, so this has a magnet on it. We're going to go ahead and clean off the magnet. It's normal to see a little bit of metal shavings on it. So we get that cleaned off. Go ahead and take the washer off. This is a different size than the fill bolt, so just make sure you put the correct one on there. Now we're going to go ahead and plug up the drain hole here. Screw it in by hand. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and tighten it up. Try to get it at a good angle so you don't strip it. We're just going to go ahead and tighten it up, not too crazy, and we're going to go ahead and start pumping in the fluid. Alright, so now we're going to go up to this fill hole and stick our little hose in there from the gear pump. It's got some little legs in there to kind of help it stay in place. Now we're going to go ahead and start pumping the fluid. Okay, so once the differential is full, you're going to start seeing it leak like it is now. So now that we have that done, we're going to go ahead and put the fill bolt back into place. So we have the new washer. We're going to go ahead and put that on our fill bolt here. And we'll go ahead and screw it in place. Just go ahead and tighten it. Not too tight. That's it. Thank you for watching Mobile Car Mechanic. We just completed a rear differential fluid change on our 2018 Acura MDX. This will apply from 2017 to current generations.